Hey everyone, in this full guide, I'll show you how to add visual effects in After Effects in 2026. So whether you're creating cinematic videos, gaming edits, YouTube content, reels, or short films, Adobe After Effects gives you powerful tools for creating professional-looking visual effects and motion graphics. First, open Adobe After Effects and create a new composition using your preferred resolution and frame rate. Next, import the video clips, images, overlays, and sound effects you want to use in your project. Now drag your footage onto the timeline to begin building the visual effects sequence. After Effects includes hundreds of built-in effects. Open the Effects and Presets panel to browse them. You can start with popular effects like glow, blur, sharpen, distortion, and color correction. Once your visual effects look good, preview the full project carefully and export the final video in high quality. And that's basically how to add visual effects in After Effects in 2026. With effects, masks, motion tracking, cinematic color grading, and sound design, you can create professional-looking VFX directly from your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.